Have you ever noticed say when you dey struggle, everybody dey comfortable with you. But when you begin dey make am for life, people go begin dey put one kind eye for where you dey. They no go dey comfortable with you anymore. Yes, today we go dey talk about the hidden psychology of people wey want you to fail. Na me be your street and Gaiman papa, Mr. Nwaneri. Calm down and relax. Make we begin the flow. Today, we go talk about the hidden psychology of people who want you to fail. First thing you need to understand be say, not everybody dey happy for another man progress. Yes, when you dey broke, when you dey struggle for life, when you never achieve anything, everybody go dey comfortable with you. Yes, you fit dey gist with them, you fit dey relax with them. But when things begin dey change for good, when your effort begin dey show result, when life begin dey soft for you, when you begin dey make better money for life, you go see say they no go dey comfortable, some of them, with you anymore. Yes. Then go begin dey ask some questions. How it take happen? Who know the source of im money? No be this John, the son of Mr. James. How he take make this money? No be him, all of us dey here. Who know wetin him do take make the money? You go see say envy or bad belle eye don enter am. But why e dey happen like this? Sometimes your progress dey make people begin dey compare themselves with you instead of them to reason, how or wetin I fit learn from this person's progress? Then go begin dey ask, how e take happen? Is it possible? You sure say e no commit one crime or the other? Yes, make I still tell you again, sometimes your progress dey make them dey begin dey panic. E go dey put fears for their body. Yes, e go dey remind them of wetin they suppose don achieve before you. E go dey remind them of their dreams wey they no fit get at the moment. Yes, and e go make them, then go begin dey wonder, dey doubt, say, you sure say this person no do one bad thing or the other? Yes, but my brother, make I tell you, no dey look people. Yes, their opinion no be the real truth about your life. Yes, the real truth na say you know wetin you dey do, because when you dey suffer, when you dey pass sleepless night, when you dey fight tooth and nail to achieve, when you dey go under rain and sun, nobody see you. But now when you don make am, they begin dey look for explanation. Abeg, you no get any reason to begin dey explain to people. Yes, the only explanation wey you get na to keep on improving, keep on staying focused, and keep on achieving. Yes, because at the end, your success go shut up the mouth of your haters or even your doubters. Yes, my correct people. If this message really touch you, do not forget to subscribe, as I go dey bring more better messages or titles wey go dey reach you. Yes, and you go dey learn life important lessons. Share and comment for this channel. Yes, I love you all, my fans. Have a great day.